Hi guys, welcome back. So I'm going to be doing a hair tutorial today. I feel like I haven't done a hair tutorial in so long, even though I probably have. But anyway, yeah, I have my hair freshly washed, blow dried, straightened, and then I also clipped in my extensions. The ones I have in are the Beauty Works double set 18-inch clip-ins in the shade Bohemian Blonde. So to style my hair, I'm going to be using the new Molly-Mae times Beauty Works Volume 2 curl kit. So this is the thicker barrel. I actually have their original curler and it's really good. I really like using it. So I want to try this one out because I prefer kind of looser, softer curls or waves, and that's what this does here because it's a thicker barrel. So I'm very excited to try it. This video is in partnership with Look Fantastic. So I did pick this up from Look Fantastic. I have been working with them for a while now. Basically I can pick whatever I want from their website, and I chose this. They currently have a lot of Black Friday deals on, so definitely check out their website. If you haven't heard of them, they're an online beauty store. I'm pretty sure everyone has heard of them, but just in case you haven't, they're an online beauty store and they literally have every product and every brand you can think of. It's like a beauty haven online. So if you're looking for Christmas gifts or stuff for yourself, they have literally everything, and like I said, they've deals on for Black Friday at the moment. So I also have a discount code which I'll leave on the screen here. It's Chloe_B, and you can use that to get an extra bit of money off. So like I said, I've already washed and straightened my hair, so it's all ready to go. And I actually haven't even opened this yet. I presume you get all the clips and everything in it. Oh, okay, so I actually didn't realise you get the Beauty Works brush with it as well. So it's this for like extensions. This brush is really good. You also get the protecting glove. So obviously these heat up really hot. You can pick the temperature on these ones, but obviously to protect your hands you can use the glove. And then you also get a double-ended comb, so it has, or a tail comb, and then a little heat protecting pad so you can lay your curler down on any surface. So you actually get quite a bit. I also think you get clips in this as well, because as we all know, Molly-Mae is known for her like pin curl and then letting it drop. So inside the packaging here, this is the actual curlers in this part here, and then you get the Beauty Works, I don't actually know the name of these clips, but crocodile clips, I'm not actually sure, but these like big kind of hair slides. So you actually get quite a lot. And then this is the actual curler, so you can see it's a way thicker barrel than their original one. I'm actually going to compare them just to show you. So this here is their original one, and then this is the new thicker one. This is not the Molly-Mae version, but it's the exact same thing, it's just not the pink colour. But yeah, you can see the difference in the thickness there. So if you like kind of softer waves or curls, then this is the barrel for you. If you use the other one, you'll get tighter curls on day 1, and then they'll fall out to like a looser curl or a wave day 2 or 3. There's actually loads of the Beauty Works products on Look Fantastic. I'm pretty sure they have some of the hair extensions, and then they have like, I think maybe the argan oil serum. This is really nice. So yeah, they've a huge selection, and obviously they've the discounts, so it's definitely worth checking out. So I think this was just about €100 or just over €100 without any discounts. So anyone who's looking for a good Christmas gift idea, I think this is a really nice gift because you get so much in it. And it's kind of a side note, but the cord is actually really long, which is so handy because you're not restricted then if you're in certain, if you bring it traveling and in certain rooms and stuff like that, sometimes it doesn't reach the mirror. So you can actually select the temperature you want here. There's an on button and then an up and down button. I'm going to set it to 200 degrees. 180 is kind of like the safe temperature that you still get really good like optimal styling while not damaging your hair as much, but I'm just gonna put it 200 anyway. So I'm gonna section my hair as I normally do for like any kind of curls. I like to kind of do it, I have extensions in, so I have a lot of hair, so I'm probably gonna have to do it into 3 sections, and we don't do any kind of like, you know, cute sectioning here, so you just throw your hair up into a bun on top of your head. And then I know she pins the curls as she does them. I have some extra clips here because I have a lot of hair in my head, and I'm not that good at actually pinning the curls. I find that they just fall out, so we're gonna try to do it anyway. I'm actually not gonna use a glove because I just never use gloves, but definitely use a glove because you do burn your hands if you're not careful. And I'm pretty sure everyone kind of knows how to curl their hair at this stage. I'm just going to talk through it a little bit. So I take the hair starting from the back, and I am going to just mix up the sizes, like the kind of thickness of how much hair I'm taking. And I always wrap it away from my face like this. The end of this barrel is actually just regular plastic, so it's not like the heated curling wand, so you can touch the end, so it's actually really handy. Okay, so this is where I go wrong, is pinning. I'm going to grab that little fella. How does she do this? I don't recommend putting your hair in your eye. I also just realized I left the ends of my hair out there, I think, which is just a habit that I'm used to, but I'm going to curl the ends because I kind of want that like more glamorous look. So when I say curling away from the face, so instead of putting the barrel in front of the hair and curling it towards my face, I put it behind the section of hair and curl it like away from my face like this. You can like change it up with each section that you take, put one forward and one back, and it gives more of like a beachy kind of messy look. But if you curl it all the same way, so this side away from your face and then this side away from your face, it gives more of a kind of glamorous like seamless style. Oh my god, did you just hear that sizzle on my hand? Oh, because I had saliva on my hand putting my hair in my mouth. Oh my god. I'm aware that I just burnt my finger from putting my hair in my mouth, and then acknowledged it and then put my hair back in my mouth. So good job, good job. I feel like my sections are a little bit big, so I might like take slightly smaller sections now, just so I get more of a curl instead of like a soft wave. That was good. I'm not actually going to pin this little front piece because I like when these are a little bit softer and looser. She definitely has a more seamless technique when it comes to like pinning the hair. I think she starts from the front of her hair and then she just kind of keeps on like gathering more with one clip, where I'm starting from the back and then I have to like use a new clip for each section. So I might try from the front to the back the next time. Okay, so that's all of the first like bottom third of my hair done. I'm gonna start unclipping the underneath because I have used the majority of the clips and I need to like move to the next sections. And then I'm just gonna use a little bobbin like this to kind of keep the curled section. I'm only gonna like wrap it around twice so it's still really loose, just to keep the bits that are curled away from the next pieces that I'm taking down so they don't get all mixed up. Okay, so this is the middle section here down. I'm basically every time I run up the stairs I'm out of breath in like all my videos. It's actually really embarrassing. So wait. I'm gonna do the exact same thing here on the middle section. So I'm not gonna show you because it's gonna be kind of boring, because it's gonna be the exact same thing that I just did. But I will show you for the top section because that bit kind of includes the front of your hair, and I know some people want to see the technique when it comes to the front because sometimes it can be a bit different. So for the sake of not having a ridiculously long boring video, I'm gonna skip this part and then come back to you when I'm doing the top section. Like I said, just repeated myself to make the video longer, so there you go. The middle section is done. This is the bottom section, but I'm just gonna start unclipping that little middle section before I move on to the top. Yeah, so I took slightly smaller sections. You can see the difference in the curl. Obviously it's gonna drop, but like it's definitely more defined. I actually prefer it like that, although I'm still not mad at this. I like that kind of like really loose look as well. Okay, so this is where we're at so far. It actually gives a lot of volume in the hair, you can see that already. So what I'm gonna do again is just really loosely using an invisible bobble just to kind of gather that hair at the back of my head. Okay, so for these parts I'm going to take a pretty thick section because I don't want them to be like ridiculously curly at the top. So for the top part I basically do it the exact same. I'm not gonna lie, I know some people have different techniques when it comes to the front of their hair or the top bits of their hair. I just don't bring it up too high to the top of my head around the back, just so the curl doesn't start like too voluminous up high. So for this little section here, I'm going to do the exact same, curling it away from my face. And I don't really hold the front bits in for as long just because I don't want them as curly. Okay, so I have hankies on my lap, by the way, in case you can see. So I have all of the longer pieces done, and what's left is literally just this fringe bit. And I'm just going to wrap it like once around and then pin this as well. It's pretty simple, but I just thought I'd show you in case. It's burning. Ah. How do people do this? Okay, I'm gonna let that cool for like 5 minutes and then come back and take it out. Okay, so I'm gonna start taking these out. There's definitely like one of these clips somewhere in my head and I just don't even realize. Okay, so this is where we're at. So it's a lot of volume. I am gonna like pull it down a bit so it's not as crazy volume. And then what I'm also going to do is apply some of this. So this is the Argan serum from Beauty Works as well, and that kind of like tames the hair down a bit, as well as like giving it shine, hydration, nourishment, all of that. I just don't like too much volume. I know a lot of people are the opposite, but my hair naturally has a lot of volume, so I don't like it to be too wild. So it should kind of like smooth it out just a little bit. Actually, I think what she does as well is she brushes through it with this, to kind of like smooth them out. And apparently it's something that her hairdresser or hairstylist, I should say, always used to do and swears by. It's like one of her like tips or something. So, oh god, yeah, you can see the difference. Okay, so I'm going to use the argan serum now, and this is like really, really intense, so you need such a small amount of it. And then rub it in my hands and then put it throughout my hair. And you can see like the shine that that just gives to your hair is crazy, and it kind of stops like all those little flyaways and frizzy bits as well. Okay, and I think that is the finished look. I actually really like it. It is really like lived in loose. Obviously you can make it tighter if you do smaller curls, like I said. I do like it like this, so I'm happy with this result. I'm actually really impressed. I do think it's such a good gift idea for someone for Christmas, or if you're looking for a good curlers yourself. Definitely recommend it. So I'm just putting the lid on this in case it spills. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please let me know, and let me know any other videos that you want me to film. And like I said, there is a discount code and everything in the description box down below, and a link to this curlers and the Look Fantastic website. And yeah, that's pretty much it for me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.